Hi everyone. So today I want to share with you two really good taco sauces with you. One is made with a coconut base and the other one's made with a cashew base, which is my family's favorite. Now the one with the coconut base is more of a hot sauce. The one with the cashew is more of a creamy taco sauce, but they're both so good and they're extremely healthy for you. So anyways, I hope you guys enjoy them. They just make the taco. But anyways, okay, let's get to the recipe. So the ingredients you will need a little bit of coconut meat. You will also need some cilantro and jalapeno. I'm gonna leave the seeds in because again, this is hot sauce, right? 1 clove of garlic, some lemon, and some sea salt. So I'm gonna go ahead and add my coconut meat, my cilantro, jalapeno with the seeds, 1 clove garlic, the juice of 1 lemon, and a little bit of sea salt. I also added just a little bit of water and that's it. So now we're gonna go ahead and blend this up. Okay. And there is your hot sauce. So here I have some soaked cashews, and I soaked these for about 4 hours. And this, I'm gonna use my Bella, but if you have a NutriBullet or even a Vitamix, if you want it super creamy, Vitamix blender works really great. But I'm just making a little bit right now. So to that, and I have some water that I've been soaking it with, I'm just gonna leave that water in here. And to that, I'm gonna add a bunch of cilantro because I love cilantro. I have been eating this like crazy lately. And I'm gonna add a jalapeno. Now, this one I'm gonna go ahead and leave the seeds in because I want it really spicy. But if you don't want it real spicy, you can take the seeds out. So I'm gonna add that, a clove of garlic, and also some sea salt. So right now I'm gonna add 1/4 of a teaspoon of sea salt. And I'm gonna go ahead and just blend all this together. And here's the perfect texture that I like. Now, if you want it creamier, then add more cashews. And I mean, it makes a really great dipping sauce for carrots, celery sticks. I mean, it's just really good. You want to taste it and make sure you have enough seasonings to your liking, especially like salt, and of course the jalapeno. Oh man, that is so good. I'm putting all my sauces in here. I get them on Amazon. They're just really nice to have. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna add or pour my my hot sauce in here. Oh, almost perfect. And they're just nice to refrigerate, and they have a little cap on them like that. And there it is, there's my hot sauce.